Are you worried that moving to the cloud means leaving your organization's most valuable data wide open? It's a common fear, but it doesn't have to be your reality. Welcome to this complete whiteboard-style masterclass on Power Platform Security. We're going to cut through the complex jargon and visually map out exactly what you need to know. We'll cover everything from building unbreakable core defenses and setting up data loss safety nets to locking down your Dataverse filing cabinet and safely managing external users. Stick around to the end of this course, and you'll walk away with the architectural awareness and credibility to secure any digital environment with absolute confidence. Let's dive in. Think of your Power Platform as a state-of-the-art office building. The valuable data stored inside is your asset, and robust security is essential to decide who enters, where they can go, and what they can touch. We build this defense on 4 key pillars: authentication to verify identities, network security for safe data pathways, authorization to provide the right keys for the right rooms, and auditing to continuously log activities like digital security cameras. But before you build, you must understand your foundation. A thorough discovery phase identifies your existing setup and unique human rules for granting access. Finally, operate by the golden rules. Always keep your security model simple. Utilize the platform's built-in tools. Grant access only as needed, and remember that security must constantly evolve with your business. If core security is about who can get into the building, data loss prevention is your digital safety net controlling what is allowed to leave. In the Power Platform, different apps talk to each other through connectors, which are like pipes carrying your data. Without rules, sensitive data from one pipe could leak to another, so DLP is the valve system controlling connections. Administrators sort all available connectors into distinct categories: business secure couriers and non-business public post. The critical rule is a strict wall. Business connectors cannot talk to non-business connectors. This thoughtful classification and a careful pre-announced rollout help ensure your data is always protected without causing chaotic breaks. Securing your Dataverse applications begins by understanding exactly how different people use your data. Whether they are active employees making updates or stakeholders who just need management oversight. Next, you build your security toolbox using teams and business units to partition your information safely. Then, you layer specific security roles to control exactly who can read, write, or delete records. Finally, you can lock down highly sensitive details using column-level security, mapping everything out clearly with a master permissions matrix to ensure there are no gaps. Dataverse is the heavily armored filing cabinet at the heart of your applications. To secure it, we first manage the workers accessing the data, choosing between licensed human users and automated application robots. Because managing individuals is a nightmare, we group these workers into functional teams. Next, we organize the filing cabinet itself using business units, creating strict security boundaries rather than just copying your HR chart. Finally, every time you create a new table, you must permanently decide if it is owned by the entire organization for simplicity, or by specific users and teams for tight, granular control. While we have focused on mocking our digital building from the inside, sometimes you absolutely must invite outsiders in. We have 3 safe routes for this. Route 1 is Power Pages, which creates a secure, external storefront where customers only see their specific files. Route 2 connects tenants, building a secure bridge so partner companies can easily enter using their existing ID badges. Route 3 secures custom applications, using robotic application users and secure tokens to ensure bespoke software pulls only the exact data needed, keeping everything else safely locked away. We began by treating our platform like a new office building, where we secured the 4 pillars of authentication, network, authorization, and auditing. Next, we deployed data loss prevention safety nets to stop sensitive information from accidentally leaking through unapproved digital pipes. Deep inside our Dataverse filing cabinet, we organized our workers into teams, created strict business boundaries, and layered precise security roles to protect our most valuable records. Finally, we safely opened our doors to external users through secure storefronts and tenant bridges, ensuring our core data remained perfectly protected from start to finish.